We just stood for another one of our walks a day. We've come somewhere a little bit different, a bit out of the area I can hear.
Looks a canny little plantation yellow, doesn't it?
Aye. You do see a lot of yellow hammers and that up here. I can actually hear one up there. Did see what was I saying I seen last time? Was it little weasels or something?
Oh right, up here.
Aye, when I was parked and they ran across the road in front of the car.
Ah, they do look tiny weasels.
Aye, they were even smaller than rats. They were tiny little things, about 3 or 4 of them.
Little skin things.
Aye, we're going to have a walk around because we did see a lot of different birds up here. Aye, loads of linnets. Aye. But it's not too late in the year to find the finches, so that's what we're looking for today, and plus it's a bit of a walk out at the same time. I'm just coming to this little old knackered building thing where we are. Oh, breaker units there, whatever they are. But
been a big
bit of a nest there.
Factory of some sort, hasn't it?
Aye.
Nice little build. And now wrens it.
It is, when all the bracken. Aye.
What's this, do you reckon? What's this been?
I'm not sure what that one is.
Can't really tell, can you?
I'm being careful where I'm walking because there's holes and there's water under it.
It's solid. Concrete, that man.
Yeah, aye, true. I'm shitting these up. My father, there's cobwebs on the end of there and that. These are old. But there's other buildings what we're going into. We're going to find some newish ones. Have a quick look at this water while I'm out here. Just to make it look interesting. I think that'll be full of frogs or tadpoles or something. There's no.
I wouldn't like the fall in it.
Oh, no.
It's not deep, it just looks a bit
dirty, horrible stuff. Can you help?
Oh, that's that pipe over there.
Ah, the water's just dripping off the end of that pipe. Aye.
We'll have a bit walk up here, see what's
there's more buildings up over the top.
It's definitely an old disused place, isn't it?
Oh, it's that's a car park. You can see it's now been used for years.
It's been a big place, like looking at the size of the car park and that. Have a walk.
It's been closed for at least 10 years from what I know, so we should be safe. That looks like animal trails up there. Well, we've got to climb up that. This is how abandoned the place is. It's like how unused it is. It still looks like we're in some type of woodland, but this is you can say it's all block paving. Yeah. It's been the road leading down into that car park there through the trees.
Surprising. I bet you it doesn't take that long
for the nature to reclaim.
Like, you see it. You left your block paving for a good 4 or 5 years.
Aye. Guns up over the top there. We're gonna walk around that way in.
Yeah, loads of little birds singing, they're just kind of there.
Aye. We've just we walked up here and you can see this knackered old bit of the building in the back end. But we got to this window here and we didn't even get to the window. But like a pigeon thing flew, would have been off. Didn't think it would be a wood pigeon really. If anything, it's going to be a rock dove, isn't it? Because the nest in the old buildings like this.
Whenever you see it properly.
Aye, it's like it flew straight through that gap in that window there and out over the tops of the building, so we didn't even.
On the way back,
seen the back end.
Look on the way back.
Aye.
Scared up,
I'm gonna see if I can get up and see what it's got like.
I think that's steady.
Aye, I know. There's a load of broken glass all over the place I'm standing on. A knackered table, old workbenches and everything. Old packets of tabs off the workers. Benson and head. Aye, I know. A lot of twigs doing now with a bird.
I think I'll just hang on this pole and then pull yourself up.
It's going to be a hard one. That pole's strong enough, mind. I have just had something to get on in. I just cannot quite.
I mean, it might even have young ones in there. Wait. You said that it was sitting there on it like that.
Aye. I'll just put my camera stand down and see if I can just get a quick shot over the top of the nest.
It's going to be a bit awkward.
There's crap on this table.
Put something to stand on or something.
And put my foot on this door. A bit of a nail sticking to the
That
door
pipe's
there.
there, solid.
Oh no, I'm going to be hanging on to this pipe and I don't know what it is.
Solid enough, like, but I'm gonna back over.
Don't really want to drop down there.
Landing all this crap and bottom
I don't know.
glass.
Be a bad end or a good day. There's an actual joint in the pipe and it could be fucking shitty. If I can put the camera to 1 second. Then you'll be able to see the accident happening. It's got an egg in.
I think you're not going to be telling it's a pigeon or because it just sent me the same.
Oh shit. Come on, let the camera on beam. The combine was in the field.
You are?
Oh, the combine was in the field. Oh, I'm shot.
That's it. Yeah. Did you get a shot?
Oh, aye. I'm out of that bit and just looking in this bit, see if there's out just, that's where I was just through there. But we're looking for swallows and stuff like that, just there will be old ones in here.
Kind of reminds you when you were a kid being with that owl light, doesn't it?
Aye. We're going to go into the other bits of building. There's a lot of birds kicking around. Last time we come up here we seen loads of jackdaws, didn't we? They were nesting all over the place.
See, like, now that old lie over Highfield.
Aye.
Did we ever find? Wasn't much in there like swallows out there.
Aye, there was, aye. I might as well just leave the camera on, like, just so we can get a good description of it, just in case we didn't come back to the place. Jackdaw.
We've seen a load of jackdaws flying about the south, haven't we?
Aye. Well, we might find an easy one to get, like. I don't know. Oh shit. A pigeon. I'm sure they're all rock dogs, you know. Because a wood pigeon wouldn't nest in yard now how you get toon pigeons and that.
Yeah.
What's that? Is that a... Don't know if it's pheasant feathers. You'd think you'd get kestrels in old buildings like this and that.
Kind of flat or what?
Oh, it tried to get out the windows, didn't it? Break off the window. There's another one. That's only like that hit the window at all. It's coming towards you.
It looks like a pigeon.
They look like wood pigeons, they've got the white on the neck.
I'm sure it is just a wood pigeon.
Wood pigeon nesting in here.
Oh, it looks like.
There's quite a few of them, like we've found one nest already and then there's these two are flew out. That one came from behind us somewhere, didn't it, up here? It might have just been roosting that one. But the other one might have been the one that was sitting on it.
Too late now for the swallows?
Oh no, it's like summer.
Right.
This is the right time for the swallows and that, like. That's what I was like hoping to find them in here. We're just back down to the bottom end of the building and that looks like the swallows just up there on that beam.
Yeah, it's an old one.
We haven't seen any of the birds kicking around yet. We're going to walk around the other end and see if we can see any more. Like. We've been up there. There's other parts through that side. We're going to go through into them sheds around there. I will just come a bit further up the paths into the building there, but that's got to be one of the easiest jackdaw's nests.
I mean,
ever.
it's a bit late on for the
aye.
The nest early on, didn't it?
Aye, but we can come back to this one next year and check it out. Because they'll use the same nest again and again. I'm going to stick my hand in on the camera like just to get a view into the nest. Want to be a rat in there or something. If I can get a camera in there, like. I know, that's about... Yeah, I've left my wire stick somewhere.
in that building.
Oh, around there.
And you're trying to get a shot of that end.
I can hear all the young jackdaws in the nest, though. I can hear the young jackdaws in that pipe there. There's a nest in that pipe, or in that... It's either in that pipe or in this building here. I think it's in... It's actually just under here. Oh, look, it's just under here, huh? Just there. I'm gonna have a... See if we can get in this way. Oh, you can, huh? So the jackdaws is just in here. Oh, they're all over. Uh-huh.
Them dogs. Definitely ones just flew there.
Where did them? I didn't see, but they came from around here somewhere. Aye. I'm just looking here to see where that jackdaws were, because it's went all quiet now, like the birds.
Definitely what dogs them just flew.
Unless the bird was sitting there and it was just making loads of noise. Because I can't see any nests, yeah.
There's a jackdaw there just landing on the pipe.
Aye, I can... There could be in this all this crap on the duct and that, like.
Plenty of places that could be.
There's holes all over in the... And that's where they'll be. There's one here, I can see one just here. One just there in that cavity there. There's a nest there. I can hear the young ones. I just didn't like being in here really. Oh there, the one just flew, jumped there.
Oh, there'll be nests now. I want to wait. I'm saying that it'll be a bit late.
Oh, they've got big young, haven't they? Really
young,
big.
The young should be ready for flight in the nest.
I didn't know where them birds came from, them doves. Thought they missed them. Because they didn't build much of a nest, did they? Yeah, we'll walk back around. Right, the jackdaws in there, because we could hear the young just as we come towards it.
There'll be less now on here.
What's doing here? A little bit through here. Jackdaw.
Maybe they use a bit of fright on the flat.
They do, aye. Aye. Flapping the wings all over. The nesting all over the place. More buildings at the front there, like. I can hear swallows up the front there. That could be what we're looking for. We'll just come over there. Just to check all these. I can hear the dogs doing there, it must be the farm. I've heard a couple of swallows when I was in the building. Did he get them in these dark little rooms? Yeah, I've just heard them. Yeah. That's if I heard another one. We're back to another little room. Just giving our way again.
There's an owl.
There's a bit of an owl on there. Oh, that could be a new one, you know. Oh, that could be a new one. did hear them when I was in that other way.
That looks a bit...
There's not much to them, is there?
Yeah. It's not that since I've seen them here.
If I can get up, I don't like crawling. All the cables have been chopped off this.
The last one I've probably seen was the old Barnes or Wellington's boat.
Stand on this. That's pretty solid. I'll turn the lens. Upside down so I can see it.
He's just a little bit short.
Shaking like hell. Stretching on me tiptoes. I would find an easier one than that. It's got a deep cup in it, but it wasn't lined with feathers or not like that, so from what I could see on the viewfinder. That might look when I get back in and put it on the computer, we'll probably see eggs in it. Could have gotten a better shot.
It's building here.
Aye. We're just coming up
the
the
building there, it seems to be like the main offices or something.
Aye.
Pretty big old east, isn't it?
Aye.
You'll probably be a bit creepy in the dark, like it was getting a bit dark here.
Aye. No, proper.
We'll have a quick look and see if we can get in.
Aye. I didn't want... Looking at this building, it doesn't look very... It's all blocked in. I didn't want to get into it. You see someone's been getting all the scrap wood over the years, getting all the copper wire. I stand because there's loads of nails on them boards where people have been ripping the windows off. We'll come at a different end, the front end of the buildings. These switch-off lights. There's nothing bothered on doing that. It doesn't look very well disused, does it? Now compared to the bottom end of the buildings. Toilets on Lock the doors. Another one here, but this one's got any handling out on that door, like it's always a waste of time even trying to open that one. Got all glass and tile and all. This part of the buildings doesn't look as manky as the other parts what we're in. Probably is not as good for the birds and that. Can I actually get down and out here without they going back out the other door? Open spider's webs all over. Didn't know if this door opens like, didn't think it will. No. Oh, locked in.
So we're heading to the cow.
Aye, we're going back doing the bottom and out. Aye.
Oh, there's an old egg.
Alright, is that a jackdaws? It is, aye. Hey.
I'm full of nest egg, but it was full of egg.
Aye. So it looks like something's getting it and eating it.
So it's definitely no jackdaw, like jackdaw.
No. Never seen one in years.
It's been a while.
They're quite small, aren't they?
No, they're not that big for the size. I think crats are bigger, but they're not loads bigger than eggs.
No.
I mean.
I wonder how that's getting in there. Must be a nest in there somewhere.
Probably not.
Well, we're back to where we started, around the back end, and we're on our way back up now.
Yeah, we've seen a few old nests.
Oh, aye.
That was probably a pigeons, what we're...
Aye, because we've seen a few more of the birds and the more pigeons, like it's going to be sitting on again. Shall I creep run and have a look?
Aye.
Because it's just here, isn't it?
I did see a couple of what looked like the doves before, like.
It's just in there. I'll see if I can... See if I can get it from here. Just above that door inside there. No, can I get down far enough? No, it's not back yet, like. No, I thought it would have been back there.
Here's your stick. Where you left.
Oh, aye. Well, anyways, we're on our way backwards. We're just up this hill here and then across the car park to the car.